Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are your emails grouped together in Outlook and making things confusing? Today I will show you how to separate or ungroup emails in Outlook step by step. By default, Outlook groups emails as conversation. This means replies and messages are stacked together. But if you want to see each email separately, this quick fix will help you. Open New Outlook on your computer. At the top menu, click on View tab. Now click on Conversation and select Message List. And finally click Do Not Group Messages. That's it. Your emails are now separated and each message appears individually. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to Positive Energy, and comment below if you want more Outlook tips. Thanks for watching.